I've been rocking these Husky floor mats since 2018 and it's time for a change. I'll be trying this set from OEDRO. Come along with me for a quick unboxing, installation, and my thoughts on the product. While we remove this set of Huskies, I will say my favorite thing about these mats is the design and how it allows them to hold an excess amount of water in the mat due to the channel design. Overall, it's been a good set. Before installing the OEDROs, let's clean up a bit. Now let's get these installed. As I'm putting these in, I've noticed a few things. First, they're about the same weight as the Husky mats, but they do feel a little different. The Huskies are softer, more flexible rubber, while the OEDROs feels a bit stiffer, likely because they're brand new and haven't had time to soften up from the heat. After a few hot days, I expect these mats to settle in and hug the floor's contours nicely. I really like OEDRO's retention system. The mats snap in securely, and you can tell they're not going to shift at all. And that is a good looking mat. Now that we've installed the front mats, let's shift to the back. I love these large one-piece mats. As you can tell, my rear mat has kept my carpet looking brand new, even after 7 years of kid and dog traffic. Alright, now that this bag is in, all the angles and cutouts appear to be fitting nicely, and like I said before, after a couple 90-degree days that gets the interior heated up to well above 100, all those sections there sticking up will flatten out without an issue. And that's it for the OEDRO floor mat install on my F-150. Overall, I'm impressed with the fit, the retention system, and the full coverage, especially in the back where these one-piece mats really shine. I'll update later after they've had a few hot days to settle in, but so far these look and feel like a solid upgrade from my old Huskies. If this helped out, hit that like button, subscribe for more weekend home projects, and I'll see you on the next one.